I should have gotten the one that had 2. I know, right?
Nah, I see with the purple, yeah, it says perfect.
If it wasn't purple, it wouldn't fucking nearly as hard.
Oh my god. Ooh wee! I keep forgetting that you have my old manifold. I swear I forget every single time. Yep. Yes, sir. Look at the motherfucking wheels. Yeah. I flexed this joint like a year ago. Got my joint. Clear hood's off. But let's see what we can do, man. 1150 is the goal, but I'm running bracket, so. Right. You're not having a clear hood on there. You holding on? You holding on?
I have heard that there are drivers up here.
There's a hair in it.
No way.
Yeah, where you going, Chuck? Yeah, on your left. We got motors for sale. Coin flip for the park. Rise and shine. Yes, you thought I wasn't gonna cook breakfast? What? Scrambled eggs out the cup. Look at those wheels. Nice. Yes, I mean I'm gonna roll around too. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna take Jake's. We're gonna ride around. For Expo last year. This one.
Car show, you racing?
Yeah, I'm racing. Bracket 1 again. Yeah.
This one.
This don't go like 30 something. The Mugen, is that Mugen or no? No, another Prelude. Yeah, it's nice. What's going on, man?
You made it out, brother. Sorry.
Yeah, you good.
Let's go clean up the tune when it went. The guy kicked me off the. You racing?
Yeah, we didn't get no runs yesterday.
Yeah.
They are. I don't know if something broke, but.
They got the cage in the car now.
Really? Good. Nice. They got But look at all of them first. You gotta look at all of them so you know which one you want. These right here. Has to say, how much is it? Give her the money. Give her the money.
Have you painted them like done a clear?
Nah. How you get in the front?
You drove straight here?
I like the right lane, that's why I got in the, yeah. And 11.9 on the first pass at 126. Instant playback. That's tough. And the 11.9 on the first pass at 120. I can't even remember with the short track. It launched pretty decent.
It did. No, the launch was good.
A little bit at first, like the first little, but. Whoa.
That's another one.
Let's get it.
Quick line of the hides here for both drivers.
was the end of H day. We just finished up here. What we got, Trey? What we got? Look like a check, son.
That paper, son.
Ew. We got that
What?
check.
It's a 5-way first place split.
Hey, we take it, right? Let's do it, babe.
Got the dub.
Then next year, get some more checks.
Right.
Woo! I'm ready to head home.